from Uganda Ministry of Education. After that, we shall have our dinner and dance until morning. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you, Ambassador. With your guidance, sir, we can start now. Let us stand up for the national anthem. DJ, International Anthem, Uganda 2 stanzas, then it's Burundi, then East Africa also half of it. That's the first stanza. Are we together, DJ? Okay. Thank you very much. Keep standing for the prayer. Arnold. Arnold.
Pray that you bless this place, the drink and food that you're about to have. Also bless that conversation and networking that we're about to have here. This our nations, Burundi, Uganda, that we have good cooperation, friendship. Also, both our countries to have peace, unity. And, may you also bless everyone who is here as we are having this networking. Bless this event to be successful and so that we may get back home safely. I say this in Jesus' name.
Thank you very much, Arnold, for the prayer. Our dear guests, visitors, please come and take your seats. Thank you very much. I hope everybody is having a drink. Please feel free. Order drink of your choice. There is cocktail. Everything is mixed there. Those who are serving, please. I want to see everybody drinking. Hello. Who doesn't have a drink, please? Who doesn't have a drink? Can you raise up your hand and I see you? Someone doesn't have a drink there, please. Oh, they are here. Let everybody have something to drink. Come to them and give them whatever they want. All right. We have a team from the Ministry of Education, Uganda. We have Madam Judith Akrot from the Ministry of Education and Sports in charge of secondary standards. Madam Akrot, you are welcome. The gentleman he came with is not a husband, but was just accompanying her. He's called James Tujatemba from Uganda National Examinations Board. Mr. Tujatemba, I heard someone saying, oh, that means you have harassed them somewhere. All the exams you have done, that's the gentleman. The failures, the passes, the distinctions, whatever you have done, that's the one. He's in charge of, he's a manager, examination management. You are welcome. With him is our dear ambassador, General Matayo Kyaligonza, and the one hosting us. General, you are welcome. My colleagues from the embassy, I don't know where they are, but here is Madam Nababinaga in charge of economic and commercial diplomacy embassy. I'm not seeing the rest. The one who's standing there is Anik. Anik is in charge of the office of the ambassador. Myself, I'm Tassi Ingra. I'm an accounting officer and then the first secretary. I welcome you. I will introduce others as they come. Yes, I don't know if we can introduce ourselves individually or we can introduce ourselves in groups according to universities. I'm going to read the universities, then you stand up and we clap for you. Those from Kampala International University, those study from Kampala International University, you can raise up your hand or you stand. Please stand and we clap for you. Yes, you are welcome. Bugema University. Bugema University. Yeah, they are there. Please, you are welcome. Cavendish University. Cavendish. Wow, you are welcome. Makerere University. With a lot of energy. Yeah, you are welcome. St. Lawrence University. Lawrence University, you are welcome. Please clap for each other. We have now high schools, Emma High School. Emma High School. I think they are not yet here, but they registered. Newcastle High School. not yet here. Creamland Secondary School is there. This one they have not yet gone to university, but they are joining soon. Manji Memorial Academy. Manji Memorial Academy. They are still on their way. Eden International School. Eden International School. Global High School. Makerere Business School. Makerere Business School. That is Mobus. You are welcome. Deja University. Deja University. We have both in the Kampala and also on Deja side of Bombo. Where are they? Okay. Nkumba University. Kumba. You are welcome. St. Gerard Vocational School. St. Gerard. Bishop Bamu University. Karibu sana, you are welcome. Eagles Nest High School. Eagles Nest High School. East Africa Leadership Institute. East Africa Leadership Institute. They are still on the way. Hannah International School. Still on the way. Jovenis High School. Green Hill Academy. Green Hill Academy. Okay, here. Kajas Progressive Secondary School. Kajas Progressive. Kakunguru Memorial. Kakunguru Memorial. Little Staff. Secondary Heart Immaculate. Makerere Institute of Technology. You're welcome. Barara State Institute of Business and Technology. You are welcome. Millenium International Academy. You are welcome. Samja Hill High School. Samja Hill High School. Not yet here. Reformed Theological College. Theological College. I believe this one must be a pastor. It's not yet here. Sacred Heart Mushanga. Sacred Heart Mushanga. From which school have I not received and you are here? Please? Yes. Uganda Matters University. Uganda Matters University. You are welcome. Any other? Yes. Teams, please stand up for recognition. You are welcome. Another? Uganda Christian University. Uganda Christian University. You are welcome. Vienna College Namugongo. Vienna College Namugongo. You are welcome. That's near my home. Which other? Yes. Which one? Kampala University. Kampala University, stand up. Thank you very much. Another one? Any other? We are all covered. Yes? Which one? St. John's College, Budo. You are welcome. Any other institution? Weldon School. Weldon School. You are welcome. We are all welcome. We have an association of Uganda, of Ugandans living in Burundi. Where are you? Yeah, the team, please stand up for recognition. Who else have I not introduced? All right, you are all welcome. Please have a drink. Feel free, network. First of being here is to know each other, is to network. If you don't have a job, you talk to your colleagues who is working and easily connect you. And also with that, we want also to know you, so that we know that you started from Uganda and we celebrate your achievement. Thank you for coming. DJ. moment. I believe we all have a drink, please. If you don't have a drink, lift up your hand. Oh, there's a table here. Please, those who are serving, come this side. There's a table without a drink. And also, there is cocktail, as I told you. You can make cocktail of your choice. And also what we have on the list here, we have classic gin tonic, we have gin sour, we have Warag Sunrise, we have French 75, we have gin fizz, we have mimosa, we have whiskey highball, and whiskey cola. If whatever you want is not here, tell the person to make for you whatever you want. And you just feel free to walk there and make an order of your choice. Yeah. I don't want anybody not drinking. Please. Okay. Our dear ambassador, with your permission, I would like to invite you to give your remark and welcome the people.
Yeah, I can see everybody is seated, and I want you to sit. After I have spoken, you'll all stand up and start dancing. Yes. Honorable representatives and government officials of Burundi, of the Republic of Burundi, development partners, heads of representative institution of learning, distinguished friends, and fellow Burundi, the Uganda alumni, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I send you warm greetings from His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda. And I want to thank you for honoring our invitation and joining us this evening for the first Burundi-Uganda Alumni Networking event. Uganda Embassy was opened in 16 years ago, and I have the honor of witnessing the flourishing cordial relations between Mark you. I want to inform you that I was one of those who started and who is still running. Don't you see it is a great honor? Yes, looking back, some of the progress made in the interest of Uganda curriculum. Today among us, we have representatives from our 4 countries, from our 4 schools in Burundi that are offering Uganda curriculum for primary, secondary, and senior high school. Millenium International Academy, nursery, primary, ordinary level, and advanced level. Gold Star Academy, nursery, primary, ordinary level, and advanced level. Claude Intelligent School, nursery to primary, 7. Ocean International Schools, nursery only, will start primary level 3 next year. I want first of all to inform you that it is not easy for a person to stand up one evening to say, I want to start a school. And of all the schools in Burundi, and of all the schools, 1 or 2 schools doing the Uganda curriculum. It's a big commitment. And so we should clap in the absence of their presence. At the time of national exams in Uganda, learners in Burundi must travel to Uganda to sit for their exams, primary, secondary, or high school exams. I know some of you have had to take those journeys up to university. Let me take this opportunity to thank you and your parents for choosing the Uganda National Curriculum from the sharing of experiences today. I can assure you that you have made a wise choice. Through your registration of this event, we have noted that many universities, teaching institutions, colleges and secondary schools are represented here today. And many of you are gainfully self-employed and working for self-reputable organizations in Burundi. Mark you, this word reputable, it's indeed reputable. If you think it is not reputable, it is not easy for you to travel from here to Kampala to do the exams, then come back and wait for the results. Many of you are gainfully self-employed and working for several reputable organizations in Burundi. The late Kofi Annan, former Secretary General of the United Nations, once said, knowledge is power. Information is liberating. Education is the promise of progress in every society, in every family. Mark you, this is an important quotation, which we must all note, although not now, but we must find a way of noticing that this word existed and it still exists. The purpose of this inaugural event, therefore, is to celebrate your achievements so that many more others can be inspired. This is part of the Embassy's economic and commercial diplomacy mandate of promoting Uganda education opportunities in Uganda. The sharing of your education, of Uganda education experiences will go a long way in inspiring many parents and students to consider choosing to study in Uganda. We encourage you to form the Uganda-Burundi Alumni Association so that going forward are able to have many similar events and mutually beneficial interactions. The embassy has, thank you. The embassy has engaged the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Regional Integration and Development Cooperation, and the Ministry of National Education and Scientific Research, the Republic of Burundi, to be part of this event. The Memorandum of Understanding on Education cooperation between Uganda and Burundi that was initiated and negotiated during 2022 is yet to be in conclusion. One of the key elements that Memorandum of Understanding is establishment of the Uganda National Examinations Board in Burundi. Mark you, National Examination Board in Burundi. The embassy is currently working tirelessly to make sure this dream is realized. There is no point for us to be proudly seated here and then celebrating that the Burundi are enjoying themselves when they are actually suffering. Because they travel to Uganda to do the exam, come back and wait for the results. When they fail, they go back next year, which is terrible. Some of these people fail out because of this type of curriculum norm. The embassy has engaged the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Regional Integration, and Development Cooperation, and the Ministry of National Education and Scientific Research of the Republic of Burundi to be part of this event. The Memorandum of Understanding on Education, cooperation between Uganda and Burundi, that was initiated and negotiated during the 2022 is yet to be in conclusion. One of the key elements that the Ministry of Memorandum of Understanding is the establishment of the Uganda National Examinations Board Center in Burundi. National Examination Board in Burundi. The embassy is currently working tirelessly to make sure this dream is realized. The embassy is tirelessly making sure that this dream is realized. The UNEP Center in Burundi will go a long way to address the ongoing challenges of students traveling to Uganda to do their end of academic year exams. It is a real pleasure to welcome you officially at the Uganda Embassy Chancery, where we are gathered now to celebrate your education achievement. Enjoy the rest of your stay with us. Thank you for coming. Thank you for listening to me. Rakoze chane. Chane, chane, chane. Rakoze chane. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, our dear ambassador, for the welcoming remark. and you have heard, please form an association. Form an association, network, get to know each other, connect each other. This is the purpose of us being here. You need to network, and then connect each other. If you have an opportunity, please call your colleague. Form an association. Ambassador, you requested to play a song to dance. DJ, Ambassador, you see it, you requested to play a song. I requested the DJ to play a danceable song with some good vibe. Yes, everybody's going to stand and dance. DJ. DJ, thank you very much. At this point, I would like to introduce two colleagues who were not here during introductions. And those who came late, when you had already introduced ourselves, you will bear with us because we didn't know that you were coming. But I'm going to introduce these two gentlemen here. One is the General Ochan Simon, works with us at the Uganda Embassy here. Another one is Samson Kamugendera, Uganda Embassy. You'll see others, because I want you to know them. If you meet them in town there and you need something, please, you can easily interact with them. Then the rest of the guests who came in late, I think we have already introduced ourselves. Yeah, shall get to know each other as we network. When I talked to you, everybody was like, oh, now I'd like to invite Mr. James Tujatemba to greet the people. Yeah, please. James, you are welcome.
Thank you, Director of Programs this evening, His Excellency the Ambassador, my colleague from Uganda, and all the alumni gathered here present, all protocol observed. Good evening. I am James Tujatemba, and I've worked for the Republic of Uganda in the assessment world of UNEB for the last 3 decades. And most of you may be carrying the qualifications that I'm proud to be part of. Education is the greatest gift that you can bequeath to any individual, because education opens the gates of the world in this global village. The moment you score in that direction, you are no longer a Ugandan for the sake, you are no longer a Burundian for the sake, but you are an international citizen that can go anywhere in the world as long as you have the requisite skills, attitudes, and values. But the greatest of them all is the value system that you hold. If you are academically competent, but you lack the values to live in this dynamic environment, you are as good as a very strong and very fast vehicle that can run across all terrain, but with no brakes. Soon you will crash. So I do believe that having been in these 2 countries, you have appreciated the value systems of Uganda, you plant them in the value system of Burundi, and get a hybrid of very better value systems. I'm glad that you must have had the 2 experiences, and therefore the value addition that you have acquired from those interactions must be greater than somebody who only has gone through 1 system. I want to appreciate the Embassy of the Republic of Uganda in Burundi for having gathered you here so that you can have this interaction. Go and serve the world and make the organization that have brought you up proud. Once again, I want to thank you and wish you all the best in your careers, the different careers, but carry the Ugandan flag, carry the Burundi flag up higher as you pursue your mission globally. I want to thank you.
are here to eat. You are here to do everything that entertains you. The toilets are there. They are behind here. Please, don't do and waste your time by suffering yourselves that you don't have anywhere to go. If you want to go anywhere in the toilet, there is there, behind here. And then after that, I want to inform you that Uganda and Burundi is part of ourselves. And being part of ourselves, we need to exclude the word war in our vocabulary. The word war should not exist between, as long as I am here. The word war will not be here. But the word go ahead will be going ahead. Please, sit down, drink, anything that you have chances to, that matters. Don't worry about Kyaligonza, Matayo, and so on. But worry about what is happening tomorrow. And what is happening tomorrow is what is happening today. So please, I am very pleased with you people who are here. You are the dynamics of this country, of our country Uganda, of our country Burundi. Please, keep it up. Don't worry about being renegotiated, that you are not Burundi, you are not a Ugandan, you are not what. No. You are all Burundi and Baganda and Uganda. Thank you very much, and I want to please, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ambassador, for your guidance and advice. I think everybody has heard. Please go ahead. Go ahead. Thank you very much, Ambassador. Madam Commissioner, it's a pleasure. Today, your Ambassador, I take this opportunity to welcome Commissioner from the Ministry of Education in charge of the secondary standards to come and address us. Madam, you are welcome.
Thank you so much, Director of Programs, Your Excellency, the Ambassador of Uganda to Burundi, government officials represented here, members of the private sector, the development partners, distinguished guests, Burundi and Uganda alumni, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It is with great pleasure to meet you today, and I would like to extend the warm greetings from Uganda. I appreciate your commitment, resilience, and representation of our country in Burundi. Burundi is a very key member of the East African community and of very great value in this bloc, and its active participation strengthens the economic integration of the East African community. For us, Uganda, working together with Burundi promotes several things. Harmonization of policies so that we all thrive in the two environments, easier movement of people, goods and services, collective bargaining power in international forums, foreign exchange earnings, growth of small and medium enterprises, as well as education and research, which enhances Uganda's human capital development and growth. Our gathering today is to reaffirm our support to your academic journey, to listen to your experiences, and to strengthen the bond between you and the Ugandan community. As you focus on your engagement here, it's important to note the following. 1, focus on excellence. Our system promotes excellence. You've all interfaced with the Ugandan system, and I believe the Burundian system does the same. So your performance here reflects not only your capabilities, but also the reputation of both countries, Uganda and Burundi. Stay disciplined and responsible. Your conduct defines the confidence that the institutions place in Ugandan and Burundian learners. When they see that you're disciplined, then they trust the institutions you've been to. Build networks and friendships. Regional integration thrives when young people connect, share knowledge, and collaborate across borders. Your Excellency, you've emphasized the importance of peace. We no longer want war. We are tired of war. Let us build collaboration to enhance peace and development. We're in a global village that requires collaboration. Somebody talked about Vienna here. So many private schools. I have been to all those private schools. I was at Vienna. That is where I did my teaching practice, my first teaching practice, before I qualified as a teacher. So you can imagine how small the world is. So let us build friendships and collaboration. Seek practical skills that will prepare you for the evolving job market, especially innovation, technology, education, and entrepreneurship. Above all, work hard, diligently, with commitment and also integrity. It is the values that demonstrate that the education system actually transformed you. So we expect people who work hard so that both countries can benefit from the education system. We provide an education system that comes with more benefits, providing a global perspective, enhanced language and communication skills. So if you're moving between Burundi and Uganda, you have all the benefits of a good education system. You're exposed to so many languages. French here. In Uganda, our curriculum offers both local and international languages. So encourage the other colleagues also to exploit, take advantage of the systems that we have in place. Our qualifications are internationally recognized. All of you, I think, have seen that. His Excellency reaffirmed it and even said reputable institutions. All the institutions here are recognized and present reputable academic qualifications. So the Ministry of Education and Sports and our foreign mission values your well-being and safety. Should you face any challenges, let it be academic, social, or administrative, reach out through established channels, through the embassy. Therefore, good for us to encourage all the others who have not registered with the embassy to do so. This is home, and it is from home that every other issue is handled. So register with our home. Our engagement with the various stakeholders here will result into improved delivery of our curriculum and also ease assessment, as already mentioned, that we need a UNEB examination center here. We have visited schools, we've supported them in various areas, and we believe our engagements will yield very good results. The private investors here, thank you so much for promoting education, for promoting our curriculum because of its benefits. Your Excellency, thank you for providing a conducive environment for us to thrive so much for God and my country.
Thank you very much, Commissioner, Madam Commissioner, for the words of encouragement. And it is true you are a teacher, because you are really teaching us. She indicated to us that skills, work hard, but with integrity. Work hard, but with integrity and for profitable. Thank you very much once again, Madam Commissioner. Next program, I'd like to invite Dr. Emmanuel Kwizera, a lecturer and studied from Komba University, to come and say one or two on behalf of all of us, the guests here. Doctor, you are welcome.
Excellence, Ambassador of Uganda in Burundi, a representative from the Ministry of Education in Uganda, the other protocol observed. Good evening. I'm Dr. Emmanuel Kwizera, as they have said, and I graduated from Komba University. Now I'm a lecturer in Burundi. Thank you very much. I'm now standing on behalf of alumni. We are just to appreciate this initiative from the Ambassador of Uganda in Burundi. I was very, very happy to be invited to be part of it. And also I really appreciate this network because it will help some of us. You were talking about the center, the national center that is about to start here. I'm really happy to hear about it because as long as I'm in education, I know how many people are stressful to get their documents to be equipped. That is really a good idea that we are appreciating. So I don't have much to say as long as I didn't prepare anything. Simply, I'm here on behalf of other alumni to really to say thank you very much, and I hope this initiative will not stop by here. I think this network is very, very important. I think we have to cement this one so that we can reach to another level. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Doctor. We are done with the speeches. Please enjoy, drink, dance. The band, where are you? The band, we are ready to dance now. Get a drink of your choice. If you don't have your cocktail, you are free to walk and get a cocktail of your choice. If you want beer, if you want wine, if you want water, there are some people are saying they don't drink. You can take water as well. There are sodas as well. Please, free. This is home, as you have been told. The band. The ambassador, our guests from Uganda, and all guests here, we are ready for dinner. I take this opportunity to welcome you for dinner. Pick whatever is there. We are just sharing whatever we have. Pick whatever is there and come and enjoy it. For those who are seated this side, we are going to use the serving tent just behind you. And then those seated here, we are going to use this serving center just behind us here. So you are very welcome. Ambassador and your team, please, you will lead us. And for those who want to make some calls, it can be a short call, it can be a long call, you have someone to talk to for a long time, or you just want to beep, you are free to go behind this tent or at the entrance there where there is a security there. The band, please continue.